Hello guys, welcome to our math pre-board series. So this is a sample problem from REE board exam. So mixture problem under the subject algebra. So yung problem pala natin dito guys is a chemist makes a solution that was 34% with another solution that was 18% acid to produce a 30-ounce solution that was 28% acid. So how much of the 34% and 80% acid solution did he use? Okay, so let's illustrate this problem. So meron daw tayong isang mixture guys. So ito yung mixture number 1 natin. Tapos yung mixture number 1 natin is yung amount is denoted as X. Tapos yung percent concentration niya is 34%. Then, imimix natin siya with another solution. So, this is our another mixture or mixture number 2. Tapos, yung amount natin dito is denoted as Y. And then, yung percent concentration niya is 18%. So, therefore, kapag in-add natin yung dalawang mixture, magkakaroon tayo ng ganitong combination. So, this is our total mixture. Then, yung total amount ng pinaghalong dalawang mixture is 30 ounce. And then, yung percent concentration niya is 28%. So, paano natin to isosolve? So, first is mag-focus muna tayo sa amount. So, yung amount X plus amount Y, it is equal to the total amount of 30 ounce. So, therefore, we have an equation X plus Y is equal to 30. So, this is our equation number 1. Next is in terms of concentration. So, in terms of concentration naman guys, is yung amount is imo-multiply lang natin dito sa ating percent concentration. So, we have, for the mixture number 1 is we have 0.34x plus mixture number 2 which is 0.18y is equal to the mixture number 3 which is 28% or 0.28 of 30 ounce. So, this is our equation number 2. Since we have two equation to unknowns, so gagamitin natin yung ating calculator. Punta lang tayo sa mode 5 and then 1. Input natin yung mga coefficient. For equation number 1, we have 1, 1, and then 30. For equation number 2 is 0.34, 0.18, and 0.28 times 30. So, equal natin. We will get X is equal to 18.75 and Y is equal to 11.25. So therefore, the amount of mixture 1 is 18.75 ounce and the amount for mixture 2 is 11.25 ounce. So therefore, this is our answers. So I hope marami kayong natutunan sa problem nito and let's go with our let's proceed with our problem number 2 sa susunod na video. So maraming salamat sa panonood and God bless.